This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the rare Lumina bloom. First, understand that this elusive flower grows exclusively in very specific, high-altitude regions, typically above 8,000 feet. You'll need to prepare for challenging terrain and unpredictable weather conditions. Its most distinctive feature is a faint bioluminescence, which appears only for a brief period around 30 minutes around dusk. This narrow window is crucial for successful identification and location. Preparation is key for this expedition. Ensure you have a reliable GPS device loaded with detailed topographical maps. This is essential for navigating the remote terrain. A high-powered UV flashlight will be invaluable, as it helps to amplify the flower's subtle bioluminescence, making it easier to spot in dim light. Don't forget a sturdy, lightweight tripod for capturing clear photos during the brief glowing period. To maximize your chances, arrive at your chosen search area at least 90 minutes before sunset. This allows ample time to scout the terrain and position yourself strategically. As dusk approaches, begin a systematic scan of rock crevices and sheltered ledges using your UV flashlight. The Lumina bloom emits a very distinct, soft blue-green glow, often appearing in small, isolated clusters. Patience and a keen eye are paramount during this critical window. Once you locate the Lumina bloom, remember to observe it respectfully. Document your findings thoroughly with photographs, but avoid any physical disturbance to the plant or its delicate environment. Sharing your observations with botanical conservation groups is highly encouraged, as this contributes valuable data to ongoing research efforts. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Your careful approach helps ensure this rare species thrives for future generations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.